Are you tired of dealing with costly breakdowns and unexpected repairs? Well, today is your lucky day because we're here to share some valuable tips for basic preventive maintenance for backhoe loaders. In this video, we'll walk you through essential maintenance practices that will keep your backhoe loader running smoothly and efficiently. Tip number 1. Regular fluid checks. Your backhoe loader relies on several fluids to operate optimally. Make sure to check the engine oil, hydraulic fluid, coolant, and fuel levels regularly. Tip number 2. Filter maintenance. Filters play a crucial role in keeping your machine clean and efficient. Tip number 3. Follow a maintenance schedule. Consistency is key when it comes to preventive maintenance. Create a detailed maintenance schedule and stick to it religiously. Now, you might be wondering where you can find high-quality backhoe loaders and construction equipment. Look no further than interstateheavyequipment.com. Our website offers a wide range of reliable, pre-owned equipment at competitive prices. Whether you're buying or selling, visit interstateheavyequipment.com today and take advantage of our user-friendly platform to connect with potential buyers or explore a vast inventory of top-notch equipment. For more information or to speak with one of our knowledgeable representatives, give us a call at 469-370-7501. Our team is ready to assist you with any questions or inquiries you may have. Remember, taking care of your backhoe loader is the key to a successful construction operation. Follow these tips, visit interstateheavyequipment.com, and let us help you make the most out of your investment.